Why did you skip lunch?
I wasn't hungry.
Why are you laughing?
Heard a funny joke.
What's your favorite song?
Imagine by John Lennon.
Where is your phone?
Charging on the table.
Who is singing?
My favorite band.
Who is your teacher?
Mrs. Brown.
Why did you choose that book?
It looked interesting.
How do you sleep?
With a nightlight on.
How do you repair it?
With a toolkit.
What's your favorite scent?
Fresh lavender.
When is your appointment?
At 4 p.m.
When is the meeting?
At 2 p.m.
What's your favorite time of day?
Early morning.
Who brought these flowers?
My friend did.
Why are you running late?
Traffic was bad.
Why are you silent?
Thinking about something.
Why are you here?
Meeting a friend.
How do you send a letter?
Write, stamp, mail.
How do you make soup?
Boil. Season. Serve.
When is the deadline?
By Friday.
How do you make pasta?
Boil. Drain. Sauce.
When is the deadline?
Tomorrow evening.
What's your favorite book?
1984.
When is the next verse?
In 10 minutes.
What are you doing now?
I am reviewing my notes.
Are you doing something now?
I am repairing a broken chair.
Are you busy right now?
I am dusting the furniture.
Are you doing something now?
I am writing a thank you note.
What are you doing right now?
I am changing the bed sheets.
Are you doing something now?
I am organizing my makeup drawer.
How do you make this?
Mix flour, water, and eggs.
Where is the closest ATM?
The closest ATM is next to the pizza store.
When are you free?
I will be free after 5 today.
How do you exercise?
I do yoga regularly.
When do you pray?
I pray in the morning.
How do you cook?
I cook on the stove.
When do you sleep daily?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
What's your favorite animal?
I adore dolphins.
How do you exercise?
Run and lift weights.
What's your favorite place?
The beach is perfect.
Where is the library?
Next to the park.
Where is the bathroom?
Down the hall.
How do you turn this on?
Press the power button.
How do you turn this on?
Press the power button.
Who fixed the leak?
The plumber did.
Who cooked dinner?
My mom did.
When is the meeting?
Tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Where is the exit?
At the end of the hall.
How do you fix this?
Call a professional.
How do you bake cookies?
Mix, bake, enjoy.
Where is your pen?
In my bag.
What's your favorite book?
1984.
Are you doing something now?
I am preparing dinner for tonight.
What are you doing now?
I am making a grocery list.
Are you doing something now?
I am checking my emails.
What are you doing there?
I am putting groceries away.
What are you doing now?
I am refilling the bird feeder.